Oh! Golly, what is it?
There's a dad-burned snake right here.
Okay, and?
And it's a copperhead.
All right, well, just leave it alone. It ain't gonna get you unless you start messing with it.
Leave it alone. We gotta chop its head off.
Oh, we ain't gonna do all that now. Come on.
When did you sign up for PETA? It's a snake. The only good snake is a dead snake.
Seriously, just let it be and it'll go on.
I do not care what you say. Snakes are evil.
Do you believe in the Bible? Yes, I believe in the Bible.
Okay then. There's a reason why a snake made Eve sin. Evil! They're evil.
You're totally taking it out of context, but whatever.
No idea what the word context means, but that snake is gonna die.
Hey, you better chill out. You're gonna end up getting bit.
It bit me!
I tried to tell you he's gonna get your end bit.
Lord, the evil serpent hath stricken me.